In this video we're gonna set some colors to some elements, for example roof, columns, floors or whatever. So I open the project which I have saved, set color. For example here I want to consider the columns to set a color for them. So from Revit, selection, here I create categories and then I specified structural columns. Automatic, and all elements of category as well, to give all the structural columns of the project in this way. And then from list, inspect and count. I give the elements to count the list, 31 items, and then again from generate I add sequence. I specify count as my amount, and then 1 for step and a start actually. And I change the lacing of the sequence and longest. Okay, well done. Then I search for division, and then I search for maximum item to give the maximum item of the list of the sequence. After that I give the sequence as my X and maximum item as my Y to do the division. And here in the list we got values less than 1. Then I search for color range. Then I give the division as the value. And for the indices I add a code block from 0 to 1. And for the colors I search in the library color palette in this way to choose our intended color. For example, for the first one I specify purple, and for the another one this, and then add them to list create, and then I give the list to the colors. And right now we just created a color range, check it out. And then I wanna apply this color to the columns. To do this I come in Revit, selection, elements, and then element. Here set parameter by name. I give the elements. Let me bring the nodes down. Very well. And then I add a string for parameter name, and then I type length. And then for the value I want to specify it with the color range, but it is not accepted here because it has some invalid arguments. So here I should search for a string from object. Here a string from object to convert the value to string or object to string, and then I connect it to value. It doesn't work out. Let's try another thing. I just changed the string to comment. Now check it out. It means that we got the colors on each of these comments. Check it out. Look, red, green, alpha, blue. Okay, well done. And right now I search override color and view. Then I specify the element, and after that from the color range to override color and view. Check it out, we just applied the colors to the columns. in this way. As you can see, we create a color range just because of the codes we consider for it, and you can use it as a parameter